Everyone, and obviously guys, I'm back with this amazing session on matrices and determinants. So guys, we've obviously our JEE 2021 we have covered approximately, you can say, 90% of the syllabus. We've completed calculus, the whole thing, the differential calculus, the integral calculus. I guess everything is done in detail on this very platform. So guys, differential calculus is done, integral calculus is done, and then guys, we have completed vectors and 3D. In that, I'm talking about everything, guys: area, definite, indefinite, AOD, differentiation, continuity, differentiability. Everything in the calculus part is covered. Moreover, guys, vectors 3D. Then we've also completed, guys, relations and functions, and obviously, guys, ITF, inverse trigonometric functions as well. So if you are an aspirant of JEE 2021 or JEE 2022, if you guys want to prepare thoroughly, I'm saying that this video playlist which you will be finding on the Unacademy JEE English channel will be more than sufficient for cracking mains and advanced with a very basic rank. But guys, obviously, you want to excel, you want to go out and get a top rank, then obviously, guys, I have to recommend you Unacademy Plus, and that is where you have to be, guys, in nowadays, because obviously, guys, we need a push from our side, and obviously Unacademy Plus provides you the best of the country's faculties. You can come over there. So guys, today we will be continuing this amazing series, and after this, guys, we are left with matrices and determinants and probability. That's it. These two topics will be covering, and then guys, we are, and revision has already begun. So I request everyone who is writing JEE 21 and 2022 to please come on every Saturday, and in between also, guys, I might jump in with some amazing sessions on revision. So guys, please take a note of it and be regular. Moreover, guys, this is my introduction. If you are new on this platform, this is Abhinav Jha, BTech NIT Nagpur. I've got around 4 years of teaching experience, and guys, have mentored quite a few top ranks in mains and advanced in the past. Also, I hold an all India rank of 698 in GATE, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in India. Moreover, guys, going forward, Unacademy Plus subscription gives you the most important and the best content on the online platform today till date. Obviously, guys, you will never get something like this. You'll never get some amazing faculties. First of all, India's best are on this platform. Moreover, live doubt clearing sessions, test series analysis, live polls and leaderboard, interaction with the educator, live classes, and everything will be there on this amazing platform of Unacademy. Moreover, guys, there are a few steps to go ahead with that. You have to obviously have this installation of this amazing learning app. This is not only helpful for your plus subscription, this one, but it also gives you and enables you to attend these amazing sessions on the app totally free of cost. Moreover, guys, going ahead, you can also come along on the Unacademy Combat, right? So guys, definitely this becomes an amazing experience on the app, right? You will be getting the live quizzes as well, which I take on YouTube. You can handle that through your app. So guys, amazing. These things are totally free. But guys, the best part is, if you want to go for the Unacademy Plus subscription, you have to go ahead with the goals. And then guys, obviously in that you have to click on IIT. In that, click on plus, click on the get subscription. As soon as you do that, you will be getting these amazing prizes, which are totally nominal depending upon the situation right now, guys. Offline, you already know how much are the amounts, guys. Here you are getting no better, guys. Obviously, you are absolutely there, and your preparation is just going like top notch. Okay, so guys, definitely AJ Live is the code which you have to use for taking the plus subscription. The prices are 25.2, 34.6, 50.4 respectively for 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months respectively. Moreover, guys, 6,300 for 1 month, okay, and 3 months, and it will be costing you around 5,250. And guys, this is what obviously this I'm talking about is the per month price. So guys, definitely you can see over here, if you take a long term plan, if you are in 9th, 10th, 11th, you can go for this one. ninth, 10th or 11th guys can go for this one 2-year plan, which will cost you around 2.1k per month, which is not even your electricity bill or your internet bill nowadays in metro cities, right? So that is how it goes. And guys, everyone, you can plan out this one for 1 year also if you are in 12th or a dropper. Okay, so guys, do not forget to take these two plans. And moreover, now this iconic version is available for 6 months as well, and for 1 year it will be available for 58.5, and for 24 months it will be costing you around 90k. Fine guys, so this is how it goes, and you can see here what is the benefit of taking a iconic subscription. Obviously you will be getting the benefits of plus. Moreover, you will be getting a personal coach, there'll be workshops, there'll be study planner, there'll be expert guidance, there'll be test analysis, and what else. Hello Espande, how are you? Also guys, you can aim at IDJ Advanced 2012-21. Okay, paper 1 and paper 2 both. Okay, you can prepare for this advanced with the test series. So guys, what we don't have to wait it, enroll it right now for free. Okay guys, so please enroll it right now. This starts on 13th of December. Free analysis classes by top educators on this platform, so do not forget about it. And guys, obviously you have to be on the platform, okay, because guys, that will enable you to prepare for advanced as well. Moreover, you already know that the Telegram channel is this, where you have to come for getting the regular updates of my classes on this platform and on the special. Also guys, Abhinav SC is the code which you can use for taking the plus subscription. Moreover, going forward guys, do not forget these are the free classes which I was talking about. So special classes timings are these. I come regularly at 8 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday on the Unacademy's learning app. So guys, it is a fixed timeline. Okay, sometimes it gets changed, but obviously I inform you in the previously. Okay, so guys, do not forget about these free special classes on the app. If you don't have the app, download it right now. Okay, moreover guys, these are the timings of the JEE English channel. Okay, I come Mondays and Thursdays over here at 5:30 p.m. The topic going on will be matrices and determinants. Moreover, Tuesdays and Fridays it will be conic sections. Fine, so don't miss out on this. And tomorrow obviously we are going to start ellipse guys. Tomorrow don't miss out, ellipse 5:30. Okay, it's going to be great. Moreover guys, Unacademy quiz will be there on every Tuesday 7 p.m. Fine, so every Tuesday catch me on this platform 7 p.m. You require that app for that. That's what I'm saying. All are free content guys. And obviously guys, revision series going on, so do not miss out. 5:30 every Saturday. Also you can catch me in Hindi on Mathematicians channel. Also, my integral calculus course is currently running. Many students have joined that course guys, just to learn that amazing topic of integration. You can be also one of them and join that very soon. Moreover, my courses for 11th and 12th will be coming regularly, so guys, don't miss out on that. Grab the opportunity of the plus as soon as possible. Along with me, amazing faculties of the country from the Bansal classes are also taking classes over there guys on the plus, so why not? You can come over there and enjoy these amazing experience with one of the best faculties of the country. Not only Bansal, Vibrant and Nucleus Academy also are there. So you have the unlimited, infinite access to these amazing lecturers, right? Okay. Moreover, guys, 20th of December, there is a next Unacademy Combat, which you can obviously enroll right now. Enroll right now, guys. Don't miss out using the code AJ Live. Win lots of rewards and prizes. What is the best part is you can win lots of rewards and prizes guys just for coming up free, right? So guys, definitely don't miss out, don't miss out. Come on, enroll right now using the code AJ Live to this amazing Unacademy Combat. Fine. And guys, revision series is going on every Saturday. Please come along and watch all of that. Don't miss out. And you will get all these amazing courses on the plus by me, and amazing teachers like Rahul sir, Rohit sir, Murli sir are also taking amazing plus sessions on the Unacademy Plus platform. Okay guys, so that's it. Let's go for it now. Okay, so let's begin this amazing session on matrices and determinants. Okay, so what are the topics which we'll be covering here? Initially, obviously, what is a matrix? We'll be discussing some obviously key features of a matrix, why and how we are learning the matrices. Okay, and then order, then types of matrix, operation on matrices, addition, subtraction, multiplication, properties of multiplication, right? Quite a few things are there in this, so we'll quickly wrap up these things. Pretty easy, guys. This chapter is obviously the easiest chapter in this whole 12th standard. That's the reason why I have taken it right now, when we've figured out the best of the topics like calculus, inverse trigonometry, vectors, 3D, everything is done, and now we are on to see how easy it goes, right? So everyone watching, please, if you've missed out on any of the lecture of the calculus or vectors, 3D, or relations, functions, any chapter, go ahead. This place is the best. Okay, here you will get everything, guys. Don't worry about that. Also, we're going to learn transpose of a matrix, then properties of transpose, then we'll be learning skew and symmetric matrices. Okay, skew and skew symmetric, then elementary operations, invertible matrices, minors, cofactors, and obviously, guys, a joint is very important. Hello Rohan, how are you? Good evening. Then, guys, finally, system of linear equation. Okay, so guys, without wasting any time, let's discuss. No, we just started it. Okay, I was just going through the contents of what we'll be learning in this amazing topic. So, guys, obviously, first of all, we have to understand that what are the uses of matrices, why we are learning that. So, guys, obviously, it gives us the compact and simple methods of solving linear equations, right? So we can solve the linear equations with the help of matrices. I'll show you how. Okay, when we are just ending the chapter, you'll understand the last topic which I was talking about. Used in representation of coefficients, obviously you can represent any equation using this. Moreover, matrix denotation, obviously, and operations are used in electronics as spreadsheet, right, for making tables and everything. Computer, right? Obviously, arrays, है ना? It comes from the array, like C++, you would be learning. Okay, cost estimation, analysis of results and experiments, projection, everything, budgeting, it is very helpful in the actual world, right? Also, moreover, we have like something like physical operations such as magnification, rotation, reflection of a plane. This also helps using that. Okay, obviously you take now reflection of a line about a line, or a plane about a plane. So that is also useful when you have the concept of matrix. Moreover, used in cryptography. Cryptography means what, guys? Obviously coding, right? When you're looking at coding, right, the code, you look into this array system and you learn a lot, okay, using that. So that's why this is a very good application of matrix. Moreover, it is also used in various branches of science like genetics, economics, sociology, modern psychology, and industrial management as well, right? The matrix is used everywhere, to be precise. Following it, guys, obviously 3D, it is a very, very important concept where we can obviously project the third dimension, right? So obviously that is great and for representing this amazing thing. Fine. So guys, let's see now how and why we are learning it. We've already learned the application. And first thing is the definition. What is a matrix, guys? Matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers, may be real or complex. Okay. So guys, let's suppose I've kept here 1 iota, 1 minus 1, and here let's suppose minus iota. So guys, this is a array, right? Array means it will be having a row, it will be having a column. This is just an example of matrix which I've taken. So guys, what happens here is the elements can be real or complex. So this is very important. The line should start like this. The elements over here can be either real number or it can be a complex number as well, right? Okay, then guys, elements or entries, the numbers are the functions in the array. Okay, sometimes we also have what, guys? Some function, like you can keep here sin x, we can keep cos x, we can keep here tan x, we can keep here x square. This is also matrix, right? This is real, 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 right? Depending on x. Obviously, the numbers or functions in the array are nothing but called as the element. What is sin x? What is cos x? These are what? Elements or entry, whatever you can call it. Fine. Okay, next is rows of a matrix. So horizontal line is a row, like here how many rows are there? Two rows are there, two rows. Here also two rows, right? That is the horizontal line of elements is called as rows. Column of a matrix will be the vertical line. So this is two vertical, cell will be kind of elements, that is nothing but column. Simple thing, guys. I hope everyone understands the concept. It's not rocket science. It's the easiest thing you learned. I think so 9th or 10th also graders can do it. Hi Sumedh, how are you? Good to see you on YouTube. Okay, great, great. Okay. So guys, also what is here is simple matrix. So guys, simple matrix has what? Only one row and one column, okay? And a column, right? So what is it is like, suppose here you can have like one row, okay, like this. It can be, this is A, B, C, called as a simple matrix. Okay. Also guys, you can have it like this, D, E, F. This is a simple matrix. Okay, represented as simple row or only one column is there. That is a simple. We'll learn it later on. It is also called as what, guys? Uh, Row matrix or column matrix, right? That is a simple matrix. Higher level matrix means has many rows and many columns represented as below. Let's see how it is represented. Like it's something like this. Okay, so this is kind of a matrix. Here, what we can see over here, guys. That see here, A is this, so which has elements A11. Okay, why this is 1 1? Because it is what A11 means, first row, right? And this one is denoting what, guys? Tell me. This one is denoting the first column. That's how we actually use, obviously, write down the elements of the matrix, right? Absolutely. Also here you have A12, that will be first row and second column, first row, third column, first row, nth column, right? Or else you can use this kind of braces as well, which is not very famous. We generally use what? The square brackets only. So that is more famous, so we use that. So guys, generally, obviously, further more generalized format should be this, right? This is the most generalized format, and we are starting from 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 j till 1 n, and the columns, these are the number of columns, right? We can say n columns, right? And how many rows, guys? 1 2 3 4 till m. Okay, so we have how many rows, guys? M rows, right? So here, this is, guys, this element over here, guys, which I have circled in white, is the general element. Aij is the general element, which is what, in ith row and jth column. Isn't it, everyone? Yes, this is the generalized element, and obviously this is the last element, amn, right? It is the last mth row and the nth column. Simple as it gets. Clear, everyone? Today it's a very basic lecture, guys. Hi Paluppu, Rajkumar, how are you guys? Everyone watching, please do hit a like. That'll be great for our team. Today we are obviously discussing a very simple concept of matrices and determinants, guys. It's the first lecture, so I am like trying to keep it as interesting as possible. So guys, Aij m cross n, that is the general element. So guys, what does this m cross n mean? Over here also you would have seen here. What does this m cross n mean? This m cross n means, guys, it is having m rows and n columns, right? We always write row cross column. Absolutely, you can definitely, Adarsh. There's no time. Okay, obviously, no time to, obviously, guys. You should always, today, if you want to start, you should start today. And JEE 2022, why not, man? There's so much time. You already have around 1.5 years of time. So lots of work can be done and you can still do it, right? So be regular, follow this amazing channel. Also, I have launched one amazing course on Plus for the JEE 2022 aspirants. So you can join that. That course is running, guys. So all of you interested, you can quickly come on there. Using the code AJ Live, you'll get maximum 10% discount also. So you can come over there and join this amazing experience on that. For 2022, I have launched one amazing batch starting from the basics. So you all are interested, you can come along. Okay, fine. So guys, ith row elements are this, right? These are the ith row elements. These are the jth column elements, right? We can see over here, right? A1j, A2j, Aij, A. Got it? This is all we have. Moreover, guys, Order I've already discussed with you guys. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then the order of the matrix is m cross n. The total number of elements in the matrix will be m into n, right? Obviously, है ना? Let's suppose, guys, if I've got 2 rows, है ना? See here, you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many? It is what? It is actually 2 cross 3, right? It is what, guys? 2 cross 3, because 2 rows. First we write rows and 3 columns. Obviously, the number of elements will be what? 2 into 3, that is 6. Great. Okay, guys. So such an easy problem. Okay, you can easily understand this. The total number of elements will be mn. Great. Okay, next, guys, is the order. है ना? The order in that, what we are discussing is any point xy in the plane represented in the matrix in the format like this, xy. We can write 1 comma 0 as like this, 3 comma 2, 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma minus 2. So what we can obviously represent any point on that. Hi Darshan, how are you? A very good evening to all of the new students, guys. Okay, now let's suppose, guys, so very good question. So guys, I'll just tell you that, let's suppose they have told that the number of elements is 8. Number of elements is 8. Okay, so how many orders are possible? What will be the order? What can be the possible order? What can be the possible order of this matrix? So guys, what we can have, you just see the factors of 8. What is that? 1 2 4 8, right? So it can be cross of any two, right? It can be what? The matrices can be of 1 cross 8 or 8 cross 1. That means 1 row 8 columns, or 8 rows 1 column. Also you can have, guys, what? 4 cross 2 or 2 cross 4, right? Only these 4 possible. 4 different types of matrices possible, right, everyone? So that is how the questions can be asked, right? So I'll give you a very basic question, let's suppose. Okay, so guys, can you tell me number of, very basic question I'm taking, number of matrices formed using 0 or 1 having order as 3 cross 3. Okay, so we have to form a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, here one element here, one element here, one element here, and we have to use what, guys? Either 0 or 1. So how many matrices can you form like that? Tell me, guys, come on. Let's see, very basic question, guys. You have to form a matrix of order 3 cross 3 using 0 or 1. We can only use 0 or 1, that's it. Come on, everyone. 10. Darshan is saying 10. Darshan, here 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, like this. You can change now 0 to here, you can change 1. Then see how many maxes? Only 10. There are many possibilities, right? You can change here only, you can change only once, you can change twice. Fantastic. Sumer is correct, I think. See, guys, you have to use PNC. Yes, very good, Sumit. We have to use permutation combination, no? See, how many ways can you fill? See, if somebody says Goa, how many words can you form using the letters of the word Goa? 1 2 3, right? So here, how many ways can you fill it? You can rotate, you can use as many as possible. GA. So here you can fill in how many ways? Your repetition is allowed. 3. This can be filled in how many ways? 3. This can be filled in how many ways? 3. Can I say 3 cube? Hi Hudi, how are you? Can I say, guys, 3 cube? Yes. Darshan, you are talking about, you are also correct. You're talking about repetition. I'm talking about repetition allowed. Here you are talking about repetition not allowed. When you say repetition not allowed, then 3 into 2 into 1. Your answer is correct. Hai na? Yeah. If the repetition is allowed, it will be 27. right? You do it that way, right? Either way, that's the same thing, 0 or 1. How many ways you have to fill this? You can fill it in 2 ways, and this one how many ways? 2, and this one how many ways? 2, and this one 2, 2, 2, into 2, into 2, into 2, right? You have two options for all places. That's the reason why answer will be what, guys? Number of matrices will be what? 2 to the power 9. Clear? Which is nothing but what, guys? 512. Okay, guys? So this kind of questions they ask, this makes obviously this amazing thing. Yes, everyone, guys, please hit the like if you are obviously understanding something new today, or if you are enjoying the session. Please do that. Our team is working hard for you guys daily basis. Don't miss out on that. Okay, fine, everyone. Okay, so here we have, guys, this is a matrix called yes, matrix with PNC. Okay, guys, so here we have obviously a matrix like this, so which is divided by 2 cross 4. Okay, and we have this one as cross, right? So order plays a very, very important role, guys. So please make sure that you are thorough with the order. Now, guys, that is it. Now let's move ahead with the types of matrices. Now this is very easy, guys. We'll quickly move ahead with this, है ना? बहुत very, very easy thing. So let's move ahead quickly, guys. So first thing we have is column matrix, then we have row, then we have square matrix, then we have diagonal matrix, we have scalar matrix, we have identity matrix, zero matrix, equal matrix. So let's discuss quickly one by one everything. You will understand, guys. It's such an easy concept. So let's see. So guys, a matrix having only one column, okay? If there is only one column and any number of rows, rows can be anything. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 100. That will be what? Column matrix. Like here, 0 root 5 minus 2, 3 by 2. Or one more example like 1, 2, 3. This is what? A column matrix with order what? 3 cross 1. Can you see over here, guys? 1. What does this 1 mean? 1 means one column. 1 means one column. Hello, Dipesh. How are you? Got it, everyone? Clear? Very simple, right? Yes. The general form of that is Aij. Ij means I can change, J can change, right? That's the general way to write down it. Order of the matrix is M into 1, M cross 1. Clear, guys? So let's move ahead. Similarly, guys, we have a row matrix. Now, row means what? Only row elements are there, like here. I'm also absolutely fine. How are you doing? Okay. Clear? Ab dekho. Now, row matrix, guys, this means it will have only one row, like this. How many rows are there? Sorry, only one row will be there. Yes, one row. And how many columns? 3. Here you can see here, it will be what? 1 cross 4. Right? The elements are there. So here, what are we getting, guys? 1 cross 4. That is it. Hello, show. How are you? Okay, general form is what, guys? 1 cross n. Okay, order of the matrix is 1 cross n. That's it. Simple. Okay, guys? Clear? Easy? Very easy. Next. Any doubt, please ask, guys. I'm here for you guys. Okay, I'm absolutely amazing. Okay. Square matrix, guys. A square matrix is of any order like m cross n, right? So square means it becomes what? M becomes equal to n. What happens is m becomes equal to n, right? Square. That's why there will be a square kind of thing, na? It won't be rectangular. That's why we say rectangular array. Why don't we call it rectangle? Because we have different rows and different columns. But when we say, guys, let's suppose if it is A, B, C, D, right? We can say 2 cross 2, right? M is equal to n, hai na? It will become like a square, right? So this is of order what, guys? 3 cross 3, isn't it? So that is how we do it. The general form is Aij m cross m. Order of the matrix is also simply called as m, because as we've mentioned, it's a square matrix. So why to write it as m cross m? We can simply write it as m, na? Who will make it a this thing, right? So basically just write down m and that job will be done. Fine, everyone? Next, guys, diagonal matrix. Okay. Now, what is the benefit of diagonal matrix? So first of all, diagonal matrix is what? Subset. Means it's a part of square matrix. Subset of square. So it's a subset. Darshan, actually m cross m does not mean m square. This is wrong. This is the way to write. Like we are writing 2 cross 3, na? Like we are writing 3 cross 2. That does not mean 6. Can we say order is 6? Tell me. Are you getting the point, Darshan? See, if I have some matrix like this, your question is good. See, let's suppose if I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are we having? 2 cross 3, right? We are not writing it 6 now. We don't say it's the way of writing it. So we should write m cross m. So both of them are same. So they say, okay, let's write it m only. Understood? That's it. Okay, guys. So first thing which we have to understand over here is diagonal matrix is a type of square matrix only. Okay, na? Every diagonal matrix will be square. Okay, fine. So guys, what will happen is in diagonal matrix, what happens is only diagonal elements are there. Other elements are zero. Like you can see here, this is 0, 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 right? So that is nothing but what, guys? A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if all of its non-diagonal elements are 0. All the non-diagonal elements must be 0. Fine. Now there's a very good way of writing it. So what we say is, good evening, Bharadwaj. So what's the way of writing it? We say that Bij is equals to 0 if I not equal to j. If I, this is what, why I not equal to j, guys? That's a very interesting part. Let's suppose, guys, I have got a thing. This is what A11 matrix, A12, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A3. Right? So guys, it is a general term, right? Ij, Ij, Ij. So guys, what are you noticing in the diagonal elements? Can I say I equals to j? The number of rows equals to columns? Yes. I'm absolutely fine, Bharadwaj. How are you? Okay. So guys, I equal to j, right? I equal to j means 1 equal to 1, 2 equal to 2, 3 equals to 3, right? So that is the code decode of what? Diagonal elements. Right? Diagonal elements. Fine. Okay. Also, guys, when it is non-diagonal elements, we will say what? I not equal to j. Right? It is for what? The code for non-diagonal elements. Okay. Non-diagonal elements, we can say I not equal to j. So here, guys, we can say that Bij. Bij means any element, right? Okay. No, today it's not there. Tomorrow it will be there. Tomorrow is what, guys? Yeah, tomorrow it is there. Alternate, I told, na? Tomorrow we are having maxima minima on the app at 8 p.m. Okay, maxima minima. Okay, guys, so I not equal to j. Fine. So what will be the element? 0. That's it. That's the denotation. This is the short form. Instead of writing the whole matrix in the exam, they will give you this short form. Okay, that's how you have to decode. Okay, every element is 0 when it is like that. Okay, great. Next, guys, scalar matrix. It's what? Scalar matrix is what? It's a subset of diagonal. Okay, we are going inside. Okay, one inside the other, inside the other. So guys, subset of what? Diagonal matrix. Diagonal. Fine. So all these which we are studying, this is also square matrix. Obviously, if it's a diagonal matrix, it will be a square matrix. Right, everyone? Hello, hello, Drishti, how are you? Okay, so a diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are equal. Now, what's the benefit of this is the diagonal elements should be equal as well. Before we didn't have any criteria like that, right? What we used to say, that can be anything. You see here in the diagonal elements we had anything, right? Random 1.1, 2, 3, but rest were 0. But here what's happening is in scalar, the diagonal elements are same to same. It can be anything. It can be real number, it can be root 3 iota also. Okay, it can be a complex number also, no doubt. thing. Elements of a matrix can be complex or real, both, right? So how do we write down it in short form? We'll say Bij equal to 0 when I not equal to j. Then this is what? I not equal to j, I not equal to j, I not equal to j, right? Yes. And when I equal to j, your Bij should be constant. It should be a constant number. So like we have here 3, 3, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is what? A scalar matrix. Okay, everyone? What? A scalar matrix. Great. Fantastic. Okay, its order will be 3 cross 3, obviously, or you can say order is simply 3. Hello, Ajapuri, Deepak, how are you? Okay, fine, everyone. Understood. That's how we call it as a scalar matrix. Next, guys, let's move ahead. Identity matrix. Identity matrix. So, guys, a square matrix in which elements in the diagonal are all one. Now, that's a beauty about this is what? It is a subset of scalar. Now, see, guys, one by one we are going. Okay, now one by one we are going. So, what we get is, first of all, square. Square say we got diagonal. Diagonal say we got, if diagonal, only diagonal elements are there and others are 0. In scalar we have what? Diagonal are equal. Now here in identity what is happening is they are equal but equal to 1, fixed. The number, the constant is fixed. Rocky, did you attend all the inverse trigonometry lectures? Did you watch all the videos? You were saying, sir, inverse trigonometry, inverse trigonometry. Everything is finished. Go ahead and watch those 7 lectures, guys. You will fall in love with inverse trigonometry. The chapter is done. It's there on the JEE English channel. Go there. Playlist is available, everyone. Watch out. Okay. So, guys, what we have is Bij equals to 1. So, I equals to j will give you what, guys? Identity matrix. Clear? So, guys, what will happen? Tell me. So, it's a whole universe of universal set is what? Your universal set is square matrix. Your universal set is what, guys? Square matrix. Okay. This is your universal set square matrix. Okay. I'm making a set theory of that. Okay. Now, guys, obviously inside that we have diagonal elements, diagonal matrices. Inside that also we have what? Scalar. And finally inside that we are having what? Inside that we have what, guys? Identity. So it's going one by one, right? Hello Nadik, please don't spam. I'll read your comment. Don't worry, I'll read your comment. Okay, guys. Fine. Sir, I've prepared nothing till now. Just started from today. I'm giving full dedication as 2 months are only there. Can I crack JEE Mains with a good rank? Only in JEE Mains. Your basics should be strong. Otherwise, but my crash course is running and you can come on the app. Everything is there on this JEE English channel, guys. I'm telling you time and again, you won't have that anywhere else. I'm telling you, guys, obviously everything is compact, in detail, and everything is taught. Here I am obviously giving you assistance on YouTube also. You can give out all your doubts and queries on YouTube comments. I'll be answering that. So this kind of assistance I'll be giving you. I'm telling you, guys, if you want, this is the one-stop solution. Moreover, you can join me on the app or for the free special classes. Moreover, guys, on top of that, if you want, you can take the crash course subscription plus subscription. Everything is there on the platform. Okay. No. Basics should be strong, na. Basics आना चाहिए, guys. It's not like I should not tell you that 2 months में आ जाओ and everything you do it and you will crack JEE. No. Your basics should be there. Your foundation should be there. Then only it will be happening. Okay. Because students are preparing from 9th and 10th standard, guys. How can you beat them in 2 months? There's a huge competition. You can only improve yourself. Your confidence should be there. You should have, obviously, guys, preparation and hard work regarding that. So guys, what does it tell me? So here what we have is, see guys, next is zero matrix. Now zero matrix is not necessary. Yes, today we have on off site. That's the reason why guys today's special class I had to change slightly. Sorry, not special class, plus class. Yes, in Academy even. Yes, yes. So guys, see here what is happening in zero matrix. So it need not be square. That's a very misconfusion which everyone has. Okay, what is a zero matrix? Not necessarily square. Not necessarily to be square. You're gonna keep that in mind. Like, is this a square matrix? No, but it's a zero matrix. Its zero matrix are denoted by O. Okay, we denote it by what? O. Fine. So it can be square, it can't be square. Both are possible. Fine. Great. So this is also a square matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0. This is also null matrix. Okay, we also call it as what, guys? Null matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. Clear? Next, equal matrix. Now guys, equal matrix is very simple and very easy to understand. What we do over here, see guys, equal matrix means if two matrices are equal, so what we say, the concept of equal matrix, we can find unequal values of any matrix. Yes, so two matrices are equal if they are of the same order. First of all, it should be same order. First thing, when two matrices will be equal, first order should be same, first criteria. Second, corresponding element should be same. Okay, corresponding elements should also be same to same. Like this, see order is 2 cross 2, order is 2 cross 2. 2 equal to 2, 3 equal to 3, 0 equal to 0, 1 equal to 1. Like that. Corresponding elements means these. Okay, they should be same. So guys, they can give you questions like this. Let's suppose using the concept of equal matrices, find the unknown values of x. Can't we find everything? We can actually find everything. Okay, how? Let's see. See guys, we can say x plus 3 will be equal to 0, right? Yes. And now see, first of all, order should be same. What is the order? 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3, right? Then only we can equate. Otherwise, it can't be possible. So guys, x plus 3 will be 0, implies x equals to minus 3. Then z plus 4 is 6. Can we get z also, guys? Simple. Comparing it, z will be what, guys? Tell me quickly. 2. What about y? 2y minus 4 will be equal to what? 3y minus 2. Right? So from there, you'll get the y value also. Y is coming out as what? Minus 2. Then you can get other values also, guys. B, A, everything. Like comparing, we'll get A is minus 1 equals to minus 3. That means A equals to also what, guys? Minus 2. Right, guys? You can get everything, whatever you like. Here you are getting 2c plus 2. You'll equate it to 0. You'll get c equals to minus 1. And finally, B also you can get, right? Just by equating B minus 3 equals to 2b plus 4. We will get B is equals to minus 7, right? Just you have to equate the corresponding elements, and then guys, from there you will get all the values which are to be calculated. Clear, guys? Everyone watching, is that clear, guys? Please do hit a like. That'll be great. Okay, and obviously guys, it will be great for obviously the team who are working hard for you guys to bring out this amazing content totally free of cost. Okay, now guys, what will happening is, let's suppose if you have A, B, C are three matrices of order m cross n, then the commutative law is holding. What is the meaning of commutative? Like you would have heard na, in 8th grade, 7th grade, 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. So here also we can do it. Okay, few things we can't, so that's the reason why we are learning it. Okay, that's the very important thing. 3 plus 2 will be equal to 2 plus 3. Fine, so that is how in matrices what we can do. We can add A plus B, right? And that will be equal to what, guys? B plus A. How do you add it? So that's also very simple. How do you add two matrices? I'll show you that quickly over here. See here. Addition. Very simple, guys. I think so. This should have been in there in the 9th or 10th standard, है ना? This chapter, right? See, guys, what we'll do is we'll add corresponding terms, same as the equal things. What we used to do when we used to equate two things, we used to equate corresponding elements. When we are adding, we'll add corresponding elements. So 5 will be added with -11, है ना? And then 2 will be added with 0, 4 will be added with 7, 10 will be added with -6, and -3 will be added with -8, and this will be your sum. Okay, so for addition also, guys, order should be same. Like if somebody says 2, 3, 4, 5, add it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll say what, guys? A plus B is not defined. What will be that? Not defined. Okay, if the order is not same, we'll say the summation will be not defined. Clear, everyone? We cannot sum them. Next is, guys, over here you can see here, so it is commutative. A plus B will be equal to B plus A. And guys, associative also is there, है ना? Associative law you would have heard. A plus B plus C, first you can add B plus C, then you can add A, does not matter. Now, existence of additive identity. Now this is a very important concept. Existence of additive identity. What do you mean by identity? Let's suppose, guys, if you have a basic concept of that, you can do it. What is that is, let's see. See, guys, in 2 plus x was same as 2, right? You called in 8th or 9th grade you did it. And so x is what? And that should be equal to x plus 2. X is additive identity. Hello, everyone? X is additive identity. Remember? 8th grade, 9th grade, you used to do it. Same concept we are discussing for matrix. Hello? So what we used to get, guys? X is 0. So what is an additive identity of any number? 0. Similarly, guys, here 0 matrix will be additive identity, na? Because if you add, and that too of the same order of the matrix, of the same order of the matrix A. And if somebody says, which matrix should I add? 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. What should I add so that I get same 2, 3, 4, 5? So what will you say? 0, 0, 0, 0, right? Null matrix. What will you add? Null matrix to it. And that is what it is called as what, guys? Additive identity. So don't forget these terms. Please try to keep it in your mind. Just like number system, we have same thing over here in matrix as well. Clear? Fantastic. Okay. Multiplicative identity also we learned, right? Multiplicative identity was what? Then 2 into x, so that we get 2. That should be also equal to x into 2, right? This was called as multiplicative identity. So wo kitna aata tha? That used to come as 1. Are you getting it? And then we used to get inverse. What is inverse, guys? Let's suppose if we want inverse of 2, so we should get what? It should be equal to the identity. This is why is what? Inverse. Additive inverse. And this is what? Additive identity. So what is the identity we got? 0. So what will be y? -2. Understood? What's the ideology of inverse? Inverse ka ideology is what? You should add it to the same thing, and then you should, because this is additive inverse. What is this, guys? Additive inverse. We'll also learn what you heard and what Rocky was saying, na? जो हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, what we learn, A inverse, B inverse. Have you heard of that? That is multiplicative inverse. Okay. Additive inverse of any matrix will be what? Tell me. What should we add? What should we add to get null matrix? Why we are equating it to 0? Because 0 is its additive inverse, additive identity. So we are looking at A plus additive inverse. And that should give us what, guys? Additive identity. Are you getting my point? So additive identity already we got or not? Tell me. Aaya ki nahi abhi tak? Just now we calculated, right? Null matrix. So we'll get what, guys? Additive inverse is what? Additive inverse will be what? 0. Null matrix minus A. That's why it's minus A. So minus A here, over here, my dear students, is called as additive inverse or negative of A. समझ में आया guys? Please try to understand. यहाँ थोड़ा सा concept came, you guys will obviously see what's happening, sir. So guys, don't look into that way. Try to stay and understand. I'm here to answer all your queries. Be there, be patient, then you will learn, right? Also guys, a plus b equals to a plus c, so we can cancel a. We can obviously, if adding anything to it, it's giving us addition of that with the other thing. Obviously b equals to c. This is called as left cancellation. Okay, we are learning some small things. I know it's very, you can say that why sir is teaching all that, but this is important because we should know what we can do and we can't do in matrix. Moreover guys, you can right cancellation is also there. B equals to c, that is called as right cancellation. Fine everyone. So that's also is possible in matrix. We can do it here. Okay, subtraction of matrices guys, same, and then you have to subtract the corresponding elements. That's it. Okay, this matrix minus this matrix will give you just the corresponding elements. 1 minus 0, right? 2 minus minus 4, right? Become 2 plus 4, right? 0 minus 3, that will be minus 3, right? 6 minus minus 3, right? Minus 3, let's suppose. See the calculation, right? Plus 4, 4, and yes, that is it. Simple as it gets. Okay guys, so that's how we actually subtract it. We have to subtract the corresponding. Fine. So next guys, let's move ahead. Multiplication of matrices. So first of all, we'll learn the scalar multiplication. Now guys, what is the meaning of Ka? Like suppose if I have got a matrix like, just first try to understand the basic concept. Let's suppose guys, I have a matrix that I have some elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is a matrix A. Now let's suppose I want to make a matrix 2A. What happens? This every element inside it gets doubled. What happens? Every element inside it will be doubled. This will become 2, this will become 4, this will become 6, this will become 8, this will become 10, this will become 12. Understood? That's why they have written K times A is box of Ka. Now the element will be Ka times Mj, Mn, right? That will be the order of that matrix. So every element will be done inside. Fine. Like suppose here 3 times A will be what? 3 will be multiplied to each and every element. 3 times of 3, 9. 3 times of 1 will be 3. 3 times of 1.5, 4.5. 3 times of root 5, 3 root 5. 3 times of 7, 21. 3 times of minus 3, minus 9. 3 times of 6, 6. Sorry. 3 times of 2, 6. 3 times of 0 will be 0. And 3 times of 5 will be 15. So this is how we actually do it, everyone. Okay, guys? Understood, everyone? Please keep liking the videos, guys. Don't forget about that. If you're a new student, guys, it's an amazing channel launched by Unacademy JEE English. You can certainly subscribe this channel, and guys, do not forget to like the video. And this will be this channel holds on with all the types of topics which are there. We have covered here on this amazing channel. So guys, do not forget it. And obviously, guys, be regular. Don't miss out on the classes. For 21, if you're a new student, I'll just tell you the schedule. For 2021 aspirants, Monday and Thursday, 5:30. Okay, we are doing matrices and determinants. For 2022 aspirants, we are coming on Wednesdays and Fridays. Okay, at the rate 5:30, and that is Tuesdays and sorry, one second. The topic going on is Wednesday and Friday. I've told you, and the topic going on is what? Sorry, here I should say here Tuesday, right? Yeah. Wednesday is not there. Tuesdays and Fridays, guys, and the topic going on is ellipse. So ellipse will start tomorrow, guys. So don't forget ellipse tomorrow 5:30 p.m. Don't miss out. Very important chapter, guys. And then we'll go on from there. Okay. So this is the 3A. Fine. Chalo, guys. Let's move ahead now. multiplication of matrices. So properties of scalar multiplication: if A and B are the matrices of order m cross n, then K times AB. So we can say, guys, if we have 3 times of any matrix, we can write 3 times of A plus 3 times of B, right? K1 plus K2 times A, that will be K1A into K2A. So what they're trying to say is, let's suppose I'm writing 3 plus 2 of like 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we'll get, guys? You'll get 5 times, right, of this thing. So you can say 3 times of this plus 2 times of that, no? Both you'll add, you'll get same only. Very simple concept. Okay, you can first have K1 K2A or K1 times of K2A or K2 times of K1A, does not matter. Simple logic, whatever we use in number system can be used here as well. Okay, minus of Ka, that minus 1 into A will be same as what? Minus of 1 into whole A, right? Simple. And we can also write K times of minus A as a negative of simple concept, guys, of scalar multiplication. Understood? So scalar indirectly, what's happening is will keep on multiplying with the corresponding element. Chalo guys, now is the major thing. We have to learn how to multiply the true matrices. So I'll just teach you from a very basic concept. So let's suppose, guys, I have two matrices. Okay, just focus over here. 1, 3, 4. Then we have, guys, let's suppose 5, 6, 7. So how does this multiplication happen? This is how it is defined. Don't ask me, sir, why, because this is how we have obviously interpreted it. Okay, your multiplication is not like multiplication of two numbers, right? Somebody told now 3 times of 2, 3 plus 3, we called it as 3 times of 3 plus 3 is nothing but 3 times of 2, 6. Somebody defined it that way. So this is the definition. Like this, if you do, is called the multiplication of matrix. Okay, so how we are doing it is pretty simple. What we do is, one, we first of all, we first over here, whatever the element comes, is comes from just when you put up this row over this column. Are you getting it? When this row is put up over this column, you will get the first element. So what is that? Let's see. So we'll get what? Try to understand. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7. That's your first element. Then, guys, when you put this whole row over this column, then you will get this second element over here. Are you getting my point? So wo kitna hoga? That will be that. That will be 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. Right? Now, guys, what about this element? So this row you will keep over this column. Are you getting it? It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. So what are we getting, guys? When you put this row over this column, we'll get what? 3 into 5 plus 4 into, and then, guys, 3 over here, what will you get? 3 into 6 plus 4 into, finally, guys, your element will be what? 5 plus 14, 19, 6 plus 16, 22, 15 plus 28. How much it is? 15 plus 28. It is what? 43. And here we have got 18 plus 32, that is 50. That's it. Simple as it gets. This is how we call it A cross B. Now, guys, there is obviously a limitation to that. What's that limitation? Let's see. So, guys, first of all, let's suppose if I have 1, 3, okay, and let's suppose I want to multiply this matrix with 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is an order, obviously, guys. Here 2 cross 2 is there, and here I have taken a matrix called 2 cross 3. Sorry, 3 cross 2 I have taken, right? Let me change it a bit. Let me make cross 3. Right? Okay, so I'll get 3. Right? This is one matrix here. 3 rows and 2 rows and 3. Now let's suppose guys I want to do the multiplication. Is let's keep it like this here 30. Okay, now guys what does it tell me? This is this 3 cross true matrix. I've taken it like this. So guys what is happening over here, if you look into that carefully, what will happen is, if you try to just apply that logic which I told you, just apply that logic which I told you. What is that logic guys, tell me? We will put up this first row over this first column. Are you getting my point? Try to understand. So what will happen guys, tell me? 1 into 1, 2 into 0, that's it. Now this 3 will be what? Wondering, hi, who will multiply with me? There is no one to multiply, right? We cannot keep it over this. So that will be wrong, mistake. Understood guys? So what we'll say is, it's not defined. What will happen? It will be not defined. Are you getting my point, everyone? So that's the reason why, if this is A and this is B, so here we'll say A cross B is not defined. Why it's happening guys? Yes, why it's not defined? Because this 2 was not equal to what? This 2 is not equal to this 3. If both of them are same, then only we will be having matrix multiplication. So that's the reason why guys, for A cross B to be defined, what should happen guys? If A is having, if AB is there, if we want to define A cross B kind of thing, we want to define A cross B kind of thing, if A has an order of, let's suppose, M cross N, so isko kitna hona padega? It should be some like N cross P. Number of columns of first ARJ, number of columns of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second. है ना? हाँ, you're saying not equal to. Correct. So that should be that concept guys. Iska A ka number of rows should be equal to number of columns, then only the cross will be defined. And guys, what is the beauty about that is, also we'll understand what is that is. Let's suppose guys, let me take one more example. 1 2 3 4. Okay, I'm crossing this with, let's suppose 1 2 0 0 minus 1 2. Okay, can we cross them? Let's see whether we can. So here what we are getting guys, 2 cross 2, and here we have 2 cross 3, right guys? Yes. So what are we getting guys? Let's see, can we do it? Let's see whether we can do it or not. 1 into 1, this is possible. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0, great, right? That is possible. And then guys, 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1, then 1 into 0 plus 2 into 2, right? Then guys, 3 into 1, we will keep it over there, right? 3 into 1 and plus 4 into 0, this row over this thing. Then this over this, what are we getting guys? 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1, then 3 into 0 plus 4 into 2, right everyone? Absolutely fantastic. So what's the best part? The best part is, what is the order of this matrix coming out as guys? Just take care of the order. Can we say guys, we are getting 3 columns and 2 rows, 2 cross 3. What is that? You know, that is this 2 cross 3. Okay, that means you will get a matrix here. If you have M cross N into N cross P, you will get a matrix of what order guys? What is the order of the matrix coming out as? M cross P. Understood guys? That is the most important point which I wanted to discuss. For multiplication to be possible, this N should be equal to this, and M and P will be the final order of the matrix. Is that clear everyone? And that's what is happening, right? You can check it along in anything. Okay, like see, suppose here they have crossed what? 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 3. Right? They have crossed what, guys? Two matrices, 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2. So what is the final order they are getting? See, 2 cross 2. है ना? 2 cross 2. Understood, everyone? That is how we actually do the matrix product. Clear, everyone? I hope this concept is clear, absolutely clear. Okay, guys. So we have to understand one thing. Sometimes, guys, what happens is, see, if this is there, है ना, 2 cross, what they had multiplied? A into B. So what are they getting, guys? A is of which order? 2 cross 3. And this is what, guys? 3 cross 2. So this is coming as some C of 2 cross 2. Acha, can you have B cross A? Here in this question, can you have B cross A? Why? Because this is what, guys, over here it can be, but let's suppose, guys, here it can be, right? Okay, let's suppose, guys, I have an example. Let's take an example on. Take an example. There it obviously B cross A will also be defined, right? And that will be of 3 cross 3 order. Okay, let's suppose, guys, my A is 2 cross 3 cross 4. Okay, can I say C will be defined? Yes, C will be defined of an order of 2 cross 4 because these two are equal. But guys, let's suppose if I have got a matrix B cross A now, will that be possible? 3 cross 4 and this is cross 3. So guys, this is implies B not defined. Will be what? Not defined, right? So that's the reason why, guys, not necessarily A into B will be equal to B into A. If they are defined also, let's suppose here A into B and B into A both will be defined or not, tell me. Yes, in this case B is what? Tell me, guys, 3 cross 2 and A is what? 2 cross 3. You will get some D which will be what? 3 cross 3. Can I say C will be equal to D? No. If both are defined also, then also they will be different because order is different, matrices will be also different. Got it, guys? That's the reason why, guys, what we will say is AB is defined, then BA need not be defined. Okay, first of all. Secondly, guys, AB are respectively M cross N and K cross L respectively. Then for the matrix AB and BA are defined if and only if equals to K and BL is M. Both of them should be there, and then only the guys you will be having this both AB and BA defined. If BA and BA are both defined, again not necessary that BA will be equal to AB. Again, I mentioned this sentence once again. If the product of two matrices is zero, null matrix, it is not necessary that one of the matrices is zero. Yes. So it happens sometimes that you're multiplying two matrices and you get null matrix, right? Due to some kind of, calculations, right? Here, let's suppose we have both are non-zero, right? Suppose 1 0 0 1 like that is there and 0 1 0 1 like this. Yeah, you can make this as 0, right? Both are not zero, but their product will be zero. Are you getting it? This is not zero, not a null matrix, not a null matrix. But eventually, guys, what will happen? We'll have a null matrix. Understood? Like in number system, if A into B is 0, we say na A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Here not possible, here not necessary. Understood? That's what we are getting. If product of two matrices is 0 matrix, it is not necessary that one of the matrices, okay, is null matrix. That's not necessary. Clear, everyone? Everyone understood this point? Fantastic. Lastly, guys, if A and B are square matrices of same order, then both A and B are defined. Obviously, they are of same order, so A and B and BA both will be defined. Great, great, great. Also, guys, here obviously commutative law will not hold. We will definitely say that. Commutative law will be not holding, right? That is fine. But here you can say associative law works, right? That is working. Commutative law is not working. Associative, like suppose if somebody says A into B into C, right? So you can do it. You can do what? You can first do A cross B and then you can do it with C. Also distributive law will be holding because that is not at all important, right? Because we are not reversing it because the order is maintained. You can check it also. It's pretty easy. So guys, A cross B plus C, we can write it as AB plus A. Okay, so that is absolutely fine. So as this one, guys, obviously this is very, very important that distributive will be holding, but associative also will be holding, but commutative law will not hold. Clear? Because we've proved it just now. Fine. Also, guys, cancellation law will work, isn't it? So, guys, if we have, let's suppose A is a non-singular, I'll give you the meaning of non-singular later on. When we just get on with the inverse, I'll give you a brief idea about inverse here as well. Okay, AB is equals to AC. So obviously, guys, when two matrices are multiplied, so obviously they will be multiplied with that. So we can cancel it. A cross A will can be done, because obviously when you're multiplying with the same matrix, obviously that will be mattering. Moreover, guys, BA equals to CA implies again you can cancel A and A. You will get B equals to C. That is called as right cancellation law. AB equal to 0, not necessary that A equal to, which we have already discussed. Point we have already discussed. Fine. Hello guys, that is all we have for today. Okay, so guys, I hope this was a very quick session and you guys enjoyed it. The PDF will be available, right? Just after the lecture we'll be uploading it. And don't worry guys, the PDFs you can download after every class. Keep the notes with you. And guys, obviously today it is all about this, and tomorrow you can catch me for ellipse at 5:30. Do catch me. Ellipse is starting, guys, at the rate 5:30. And obviously special class will be there at 8 p.m. on the learnings app. Don't forget two things. Fine, so please install the app, guys. That's going to be very beneficial for your plus class, for your special classes, for your live quizzes, for your combat, everything you require this amazing app. Moreover, guys, go to the IDJ section in the plus category, click on get subscription. You can get this amazing experience to use this AJ live code. As soon as you apply this AJ live code, you'll be getting these massive discounts, guys. It will be 25.25, 34.6, 50.4 respectively. Then you can proceed to pay using EMI options available as well. Also, guys, Iconic 34.2, 58.5, 90K. These are the prices of Iconic. Guys, please plan it ASAP if your target is JEE Mains in Advanced. Okay. Also, guys, in Iconic, you'll be getting these amazing personal coaches who are obviously well-known faces of the country. And guys, they'll be coming you, giving you the workshops. There'll be study planner. There'll be test analysis, expert guidance, and whatnot. Everything is available on the JEE English channel, guys. Don't worry about it. Also, guys, you can aim on the JEE Advanced 2021. The test series is starting, guys. It's freely. You can enroll it right now. So, guys, don't forget about that. Enroll on this right now, right here in the app. Okay. Also, guys, Abhinav SC is the code which you can use for taking the plus subscription. Moreover, guys, these are my special class timings. These are totally free of cost, which you can come over there, download the app, use the code AJ Live to enroll. And guys, new class, special class timings are these: Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, 8 p.m. on Unacademy's learning. Also, JEE English channel is there, guys. From Monday and Thursday, I'll be coming for 21. I told you, for 22 aspirants, Tuesdays and Fridays. Then 5:30 p.m. the classes will be there, regular schedule. Saturday there'll be revision 5:30 and an academy quiz at every 7 p.m. on the Tuesdays just after this class. Okay. Also, you can catch me if you want to learn in Hindi. You can catch me on this amazing channel of Mathematicians. Fine, don't forget about that. 5:30 p.m. is the timing. An academy quiz will be at 7 p.m. Thursday on that platform. Okay. Also, guys, Integral Calculus 25th of November. The course has begun. And guys, many students have enrolled it. Why are you waiting? Come on there if you want to learn integration in detail. So guys, come over there. You have amazing faculties of Bansal classes, Vibrant Academy, and Nucleus Academy. Many teams coming over there, guys, to give you the best content on the platform. That is where you be. Moreover, do not forget to enroll on this amazing Unacademy Combat before time using the code AJ Live. Download it and guys, enroll it here. Guys, you can completely win lots of rewards and prizes on the platform. Fine, don't miss out, guys. Very, very important. Moreover, revision series is going on. Fine, so every Saturday you can catch me on this platform. Moreover, if I have some special sessions, I'll be telling you beforehand. Keep yourself updated. Join the Telegram link. That will be very, very important, that you get all the updates of my classes. Moreover, guys, these are the courses which I'll be bringing you on the Plus platform. Amazing teachers like Rohit sir, Rahul sir, Murli sir are also there. And guys, I'm also there, and there we have an amazing team over there. You can come on there and join this amazing series. Graphs, escalations, functions, trigonometry, algebra, coding sections, everything will be done in detail. Fine. That is it from my side, guys. Do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, tell them that this thing is going on none other than Unacademy JEE English channel. Okay, please like and share this with your friends. And guys, also do not forget, AJ Live is the code which you have to use for taking the Plus subscription. Fine, everyone. Chalo, this is me, Abhinav Jha, signing off. Hope you guys will come over there, and guys, we can definitely do extremely, extremely well. Okay, take care, everyone. Bye bye. See you till.